So now we are going to study the detail of the services, how things works, the detailed infrastructure of all those things now.
Okay.
So the cloud clients, web browser, mobile app, thin client, whatever we call it as. So it first come to the application, that is SaaS. The example we talk CRM, email, virtual desktop, games, all those things. Then it goes to the platform, which machine, server. Here the quality goal is execution, runtime, database, web server, development tools. Then from there it goes to infrastructure, virtual machines, servers, storage, load balancers, like for grid computing, load balancers, networking.
Okay. So platform is mostly like the OS level, right? Database server or operating system, web server, so on.
Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Infrastructure is maybe the hardware.
Hardware. Okay.
The type of clouds, SaaS, software service. We saw here, this is all continuing to lost slides. S, P, I, and X for all.
East. Okay.
Allows no software service, access different application from various devices.
Right.
The storage or even individual applications are not managed by the customer. Cloud infrastructure including network, servers, operating systems, storage, or even individual applications capabilities. Not managed by the consumer.
So on the cloud computing services, you got your SaaS.
PaaS.
What was for this? Okay.
SaaS, PaaS.
Okay, so these are your different services, SaaS, PaaS, and so on.
Yes. Either in the cloud, either you go and subscribe for your software, or you go and subscribe for your platform, or you will go and subscribe for your infrastructure, or all. See mortgage, you want SQL 2010 server. SQL 2000 server is too expensive, you don't want to do that. Rather, I subscribe database.
Right.
So separate. There's a charge for only SQL 2010. Then you want JBoss server, web server you wanted. So JBoss server, hey, give me a JBoss server. Okay, this much. Or Windows based server, whatever, C# server or web server. Okay, this much server.
Okay. You mentioned JBoss. I've heard that term before. What exactly does JBoss do?
See, all our laptop, it's our client. They are all client. Now take up Google. The moment you put your email server, the email, whatever you're shown is just an email client. On the left hand side, all the different folder structure, all the mails, and then which are not written in bold color, is all you are seeing the client. But internally, there is the information where if it is not red, it should be bold color. These are the folder structure this client want. All this information is stored. Some business logic is there, correct? And you select the chronological order. You want to show the mail from top to bottom, or old dates to new current date. All those things you are doing that. The logic goes there. It goes to web server. It executes the logic. It in turn talk to the database. So all the information is stored in database. And in the database, for your user ID, where is the file path for your storage, all the emails. And then it gets the data, and then application once again go and talk to the server, hey, give me these informations. So your web server it's like a palm. It's handles different applications and then provide computes all your business logic and provides the web-based data. Without a web server, you cannot see in a web applications in a browser. So the all nowadays is coming with a web-based application, web-based model need a web server.
Okay, so that's like your first layer between the client and the actual application.
Correct.
Am I correct?
Correct.
Okay.
The actual application, that is the POM. That then your fingers are like database, cloud, grid computing. It goes and fetch the data one by one.
Okay.
And then for your mortgage, there are a lot of business rules will be there according to the US policy or your company policy. Then all written in web server, and then it goes and manipulates the data according to that way and provides the information back to the client.
Okay.